Hey everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I made the centerpieces for a party for my niece. Her name starts with an A, so we decided to make all the centerpieces an A shape with these cute little flowers on the side. So to start off, all I did was trace a large A onto the foam board. And I actually used this to copy the other ones as well. So in total I bought 6 to make 12 because there were 12 tables. Now I didn't record this part unfortunately, but you can kind of see how I traced it out, cut it, and then cut out some triangles for the bottom. And to put those triangles in, I cut about 8 centimeter notches on the A's as well as the triangles and then pushed them in. After that, I just painted it with some craft acrylic paint. I mixed gold and rose pink. And it gave off this really shiny, pearly pink color, which I really loved. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't positioned that well, but on the top left corner you'll see a roll of glitter paper which I got, also from Dollarama of course, and I'm just cutting out strips and tracing the small triangle inside the A. So after that was done, I just prepared some tissue paper and layered it. I had dark pink, light pink, and gold. Now the light pink I already had at home, but I did have to buy the gold and the dark pink. All I did was poke through the flowers that I made with the actual flower that I got from Amazon and Dollarama, and I also cut out squares of shiny glittery netting. You'll find a lot of those these days just because it is a Christmas season. And then you just simply glue down everything. Now you will notice no two A's will look alike, and that's kind of the beauty of it. Just slap on however many flowers or however little flowers you want, and they'll end up looking good. And I also created some bows out of the netting as well as a tissue paper and glued them on where I thought it needed some coverage. The good thing about having 2 types of flowers, or actually 3 here, the bouquet did come with the smaller flowers that were light pink, and the dark pink just added some more depth to it. So yeah, after that's all done and you're satisfied with the project, it's finished. Now each centerpiece did take me around 20 minutes once I first started, but then afterwards, once I got the hang of it, timing varied between maybe 12 minutes to 16 minutes. So by no means is this a quick project. If you're just making one, that's awesome. But if you're making 12 and the layers take a long time to dry, it's going to take you some time. So just be warned. So here is just the cost breakdown of each centerpiece. Each of them cost around $4.47 after tax, which I thought was great. Anything under $5 is fine with me. Now, of course, this is Canadian dollars. If you're elsewhere, things might be cheaper, things might be more expensive, but this is kind of the breakdown of what was in my local dollar store. You can even check out used stores if they have anything that's on here to make it cheaper, or just work with what you have at home. If you really want to be resourceful, you can even cut out cardboard boxes and maybe put them in wrapping paper. That's also an idea I almost tried, but at the end of it, I just wanted it all one and done. So this took me about, like I said, around 12 to 20 minutes for each centerpiece, which I thought was reasonable. And the end result was amazing. And I know I'll be using this for many events to come, hopefully. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.